ordinary entry-level welding is over. Defy convention. Go Rogue. Understanding the Rogue EM 140 controls. The front panel of the Rogue EM 140 features 2 encoder knobs, 2 corresponding digital displays, and 2 menu push buttons to access additional functions. There were 3 icons at the right: over temperature, trigger mode, and arc dynamics. The icons on the left indicate the type of gun connected, either standard or spool gun. The left knob presets voltage. After welding, the display will hold the actual welding voltage for 5 seconds. The right knob presets wire feed speed. After welding, the display will hold the actual welding amperage for 5 seconds. Inside the wire feed compartment is an additional button. When pushed down, the wire will jog. Pushing the same button upward will purge the gas line. The display will count down from 10 seconds. This can be interrupted by pressing the purge button a second time. The Rogue EM 140 also offers additional controls to improve welding performance and quality. Setting trigger mode. To select 2T or 4T trigger control, press and hold the right push button for 2 seconds, then use the right encoder knob to select the mode. In 2T mode, the trigger operates with a standard on-off function. 4T or latch mode lets you start welding and release the trigger to reduce hand fatigue. Trigger the torch a second time to stop the arc. Arc dynamics. To set arc dynamics, press and hold the right push button for 2 seconds, then push it again. When activated, the arc dynamics LED indicator will illuminate, and the right encoder knob will adjust values from -9 to +9. Arc dynamics adjust the intensity of the welding arc. A lower setting makes the arc softer with less weld spatter and better wetting action of the weld puddle. Higher arc control settings give a more driving arc, which can increase weld penetration. Run-in speed. Run-in speed, or creep start, promotes better arc starts. It provides a slower initial wire feed speed prior to the wire contacting the plate to improve arc starts. To adjust run-in speed, press and hold the left push button for 2 seconds, then push it a second time. Use the right encoder knob to set run-in speed at a percentage of preset wire feed speed. Burn back control. Use burn back to prevent the wire from becoming stuck in the solidifying weld pool. To select burn back control, press and hold the left push button for 2 seconds, then use the right encoder knob to select a time value. Note that the Rogue defaults to set values for shielding gas pre-flow and post-flow values.